So the Math Initiative has been different for me because of the scope. So I think of when I first got brought on, they were thinking about the math and how it played a role in college success and a student's path through college. And it started with the simple question of like, how is math preventing student success, and how can we maybe remove barriers for those students? And from that, I think we started on campus talking about it as a math department, but the different departments on campus that we started talking with, from different academic offices, to see if our math classes were fitting their program needs, to talking to advising to make sure that our pathways was communicated consistently, to the registrar's office, where maybe the barrier there is, are we making it hard for people to come into our university because we're not accepting their math classes? And that could also go the same way out. Are our classes transferring elsewhere and making it easier for students there? And then you're also looking at the placement testing office, and are we creating a barrier by just looking at the test score of the math placement score, or can we look at more measures, the multiple measure idea, and look at a student more holistically rather than just what they knew on that point in time? And so I think, again, why that's important is, one is the collaboration amongst our campus, but also across the UW system, because we then, after we're communicating on campus, get the opportunity to collaborate with all the other UW system colleges, that then you have more experts talking about the same thing, what they've tried, and I think that we can pinpoint more of how we can truly help these students be successful by having all of those conversations. I think the Math Initiative will impact our students by maybe making the path a little less daunting. We're in the talks of how can we shorten that developmental math sequence into maybe a semester where the support is more focused when they need it, rather than packing it into like 2 semesters of classes and then they're in their college class. They will get more timely support along the way in the class that they feel matters because it's for their degree, rather than having to take all these extra ones just to get ready for it. So I think that that's going to help that motivate them to continue with their path and be successful.